Alright guys, may now give you a, what you call it, a Norfolk Southern eastbound. Guys, just want to let you know, when I was recording an eastbound in the moto, the rain destroyed it, so I had to delete it. But my camera looks fine. No damage to my camera, so that's good. Sorry, have a contact. Oh my god. Have it. Make contact with strangers ever again. I meant to say, I won't ever go on railroad property ever again. Sorry about that, just got a little anxiety, that's all. Man, Berea's a good spot. Welcome to Columbus. Oh man. There it is! Alright guys, I didn't get the symbol for the grain train. So if you know the Norfolk Southern train symbol and the Norfolk Southern train destination for the intermodal train, I mean for the grain train, sorry, didn't get the symbol for the grain train. So if you know the Norfolk Southern train symbol and the Norfolk Southern train destination for the grain train in this train video, please comment on all that in the comment section in this train video, okay? Bye, and that's all for now.